On April 24, 2024, Travis Grigla, a registered sex offender suspected of possessing child pornography, stole a federal agent's vehicle and led law enforcement on a high-speed chase. The pursuit began in Portland, Oregon, and continued north into Washington.
Vehicle.
They were interviewing him in the car. He was sitting in the front passenger seat, the bad guy was. The guy interviewing was sitting in the driver's seat. The guy interviewing got out of the car for a second. Bad guy climbed over and said, "Peace out."
What follows next is the result of 6 months of work acquiring dozens of videos to document the massive multi-agency response. The video begins with deputies rushing to catch up to the federal agent's stolen Ford Police Interceptor. Meanwhile, other officers are urgently working to set up stop sticks, an action that carries real risk of being struck by a vehicle.
One day or two county set up at 36.
5 set up 36 as well. Wondering if there's any suspicion for DUI.
Well, their observations are the same as mine. He's 112 and he's driving all over the shoulder. They can make that determination for themselves, I guess.
Beetle to Brady or Spalding. I am just south of the overpass at 36.
We'll find out.
3-1 David, you're authorized to pursue and spike. Going. The lights activated. We're northbound 34, lane 3, 110. Evil alone. Hey, it looks like state might have spikes up here. We're lane 3, state.
They're in lane 3 right now. I think Brady just did.
We have a negative spike at the jump 35. We'll try again for 36. Lane 3.
Here he comes.
On 36. We've got a spike here. North, coming on 36 here, lane 3, 100 miles an hour.
Let me know when you go underneath the signs for the exit.
Coming up on your lane 3. Delta, northbound at exit 30. Might have got a clip on that.
I don't know if they got him or not.
Negative spike on that one. He's lane 1, swerving back over, stuck by semis now. Rocky, get set up with spikes.
Hey, sir, I'm headed to 48 now. Also, FYI, there are some DOT workers on the shoulder, 48 north.
Come on.
37 northbound. Could be about a mile. Center up. This is over into lane 1, coming up on 40. Was that his tire that was in the road? Yeah, it looks like he's coming down. Yeah, one of the tires is coming apart, it looks like. He's gonna take 40. Taking 40. Free. Lock ramp. Okay, blue, if you're 30 on 5, keep going. Keep going north. Hey, he's losing tires. North down. Looks like the front driver's side tires are gone. We're back northbound, about 41. Yeah, looks like the front driver's side tire is gone. Overpass at 46. Looks like. County, I'm at between 48 and 41. He's on the rim on the driver's front.
Start slowing down traffic back here, so that way if you guys get them stopped, they don't come on you.
Lane 1. Now back to you, northbound at 46. Now 3 trailing units, keep a gap so we can stop traffic when it comes to a stop.
Beal has that.
Honey, do we have any updated info on weapons in the car?
One gun in the lockbox, nothing else open.
Okay, I'm assuming they have keys so they have access to it. Shut down, exit 48. Westbound Huntington into town.
Where do you need me?
I'm gonna go stop traffic the other way.
Whose siren? That's his. We got tires moving. We need that siren turned off so we can do communication. I got a rifle.
No idea.
We need that siren off so we can do communication. Hey! Door pop. Ed! It's that car. Hey! Hey! He can see me! He can see me!
It's his. It's his car.
Okay.
6-1 aerial.
Watch that guy. Watch that guy. Wait, I need hands. Shane's hands. I'm gonna move around. Move around. It's not yours. Brent, it's not yours. Watch backwards. Watch backwards.
Okay.
Shane, take photos.
Keep walking. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards. Stop. Go down to your knees. Cross your ankles. Okay, put your hands on your head. We're gonna need 2 pairs. Yep. Stand up.
Nothing in my phone. Nothing on this side.
Nope, nothing over here. Stand up.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go right here for now.
Let's put him in here. Yeah. Put him in here. It's unlocked.
Is there anybody else in the car with you?
No.
Let's take the cut off real quick.
Everything you say and do is being audio and video recorded in this vehicle.
That's fine.
Clear front and rear. Go ahead and open it. All clear. 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 I'm gonna try and shut that off.
Sorry, man. I thought it was ours.
Yeah,
this
no.
one here. So.
Well, I was holding way back so that way if they got him on I-5, I could stop traffic. And then, of course, everybody goes there. And I'm like, we don't want cars coming through here.
Yeah, no.
It's always funny. It's like, there's a job. There's always a job other than being.
Yeah.
As much as I want to be that person.
Got the controller, but...
Yes, sir. There we go. Hey, man, what's your name?
Travis. Travis what? Grigla.
Middle name?
J.
J-A-Y? Yes. And your last name?
G-R-Y.
G-R-Y?
G-L-A.
Okay, a resident of Oregon?
Portland?
Yep.
On one of those cars. Oh, Andy.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you hurt?
Got some abrasions.
Where?
My arm, my leg.
Do you want to be checked out by us?
Please.
Okay. Any neck pain, back pain?
I mean, I had 5 herniated discs, so always
Nothing
back
new
pain.
today?
No,
Gotcha.
just shoulder pain.
Well, seems understandable.
Yeah.
How fast was the vehicle going when you actually rolled?
Not very. The tire had already been blown, so maybe 40, 50, if that.
Travis, what do you want to do? Regardless, if you come with us to the hospital, you're still gonna go to jail.
That's
right?
fine.
Like you're not getting out of that.
No, I
so
don't
we
care.
can take you or they can take you. What do you want to do?
Let's go to the hospital.
What do you need from me?
Nothing. We'll go book him. I just need to get. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go to the ambulance.
He wants to go with us. I kind of it's not going to change the outcome of where he goes today.
Does he need to be in an ambulance based on what you guys are observing? No, then we can take him to the hospital. He's done this shit already. We're not doing this again.
Yeah, that's okay.
What's his name? Travis. Hey Travis, you're gonna go to the hospital, but you're going in a cop car. You're not going in an ambulance, all right? Okay. And then you're gonna go get booked in jail.
That's fine.
Okay. We can do that. We're gonna take
Do you want me to clear?
Huh?
Do you want me to clear?
Yeah, I'll stick around here.
Okay.
All right, Travis, hop out. I'm gonna search you real quick, and then we're gonna get right back in there. We're gonna go to the hospital, okay?
Thank you.
Put your hands up for me if you can. How you doing? Nothing in your shoes? Alright, go ahead and hop back in there, okay?
Could you twist that or something? That's biting the. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go ahead and just take this. So you got any ID or anything on you?
In my wallet, whatever my wallet is.
Wallet's in there? Okay.
Wallet might be in the car still. Thank you.
Alright, there you go. Hop in there.
They don't make these for tall guys. I'm not going anywhere. You don't have to do that.
What's that?
You don't have to buckle them. I'm not going anywhere. I promise.
Oh, that's I don't really have a choice. I gotta buckle you up, man.
Okay. I gave my best shot. I'm not going nowhere else.
Hey, just so you know, everything back here is audio video recorded, okay?
That's fine.
So are you guys okay with going to Longview, the hospital, or do you want to go further south?
I don't care. Honestly, he broke a bunch of Washington laws. He's on the federal side, so we got him for a lot of stuff. We'll let him work through the system. I think the immediate concern is just getting into a hospital.
Yeah,
anywhere.
that's what I'm at.
Anywhere.
Hospital?
No. Okay. Yeah, whatever's convenient to you guys.
I'm transporting, so I don't know. Is somebody following me, or what's that?
So,
who do you want to go with here?
I'll stick with these guys and stay on and be there. And then
The tow truck company?
it's going to be Carl's Tow-In from Longview. They should be here pretty quick. So somebody going with you?
One of these HSI guys are going to go with me. I'm transporting them.
It don't matter.
Chief, do you want me to sit with him until he's cleared from the hospital, or when we get there, they take custody of him? Just go.
Stay with him. We're gonna book him.
Okay, we're gonna book him.
Yeah, we're gonna book him. Stay with him. Tried to escape today, so
yeah, I got it's Marshall and a HSI going that they were saying that they're going to take custody of him at the hospital. So I don't know. I just wanted to.
Well, I'll get that sorted out. But yeah, just go there in the meantime.
Yeah, just let me know. I'll stay there until I hear otherwise from you or
federal charges are not great. State charges are fine. Yeah, so we've got plenty of state charges in Washington.
So I'm just trying to get the right operation here. So we hit his roommate 20 days ago.
He was so mad about that siren, he didn't realize it was from this car.
Yeah.
Everybody to shut
I'm trying to tell him, I'm like, it's coming from that car.
I feel bad about his car. Kind of a move.
Travis Grigla was taken to St. John's Medical Center in Longview, Washington, where he was medically cleared and taken back to Portland by a federal agent. Cowlitz County charged Travis with possession of a stolen vehicle, unlawful possession of a firearm, possessing stolen firearms, both in reference to the firearms located in the stolen HSI vehicle, felony eluding, and violating community custody. However, that case remains open as Travis was charged in federal court with possession of child pornography, distribution of child pornography, and theft of government property. According to federal court documents, During the initial search of Travis's bedroom, an HSI agent discovered a black Samsung cell phone, which Travis was prohibited from possessing as a stipulation of his supervised release, stemming from his 2008 conviction of possessing and distributing child pornography. A search of the phone yielded photographs of Travis's pay stubs and selfie photos of Travis, establishing that the phone was his, along with 2 videos depicting child pornography. Additionally, another phone known to be Travis's was recovered in a boot in the back of a task force officer's police car, who had recovered the boots from the crashed HSI vehicle. A review of the SD card yielded hundreds of images of child pornography. Travis pleaded guilty and was given nearly 22 years in federal prison, and upon completion of his sentence, will be on supervised release for the rest of his life. He was also ordered to pay the United States government over $27,000 in restitution. Travis is currently serving his sentence at Terminal Island Federal Correctional Institution in Los Angeles and is scheduled for release in October 2042.
But the car's got firearms in it, it's got computer, right? It's got lights and siren. Wow. And they didn't want to pursue it. Unbelievable. Blows my mind. Unbelievable. That's Oregon for you, right? That's out of Oregon? Yeah. Yeah. You got a guy that's in custody for federal charges in a police car. Pursue it. How stupid is that? Maybe he'll just get tired and pull off the road. Oh, fuck. So I picked him up in Woodland, and he's passing cars on the inside shoulder. We finally lit it up at Kalama, and then it was kind of fun. There could be some good dash video in this one. There should be.